Hello again from Calhoun Falls State Park. We're camping on site 53. This is going to be the Loop 1 tour video, but I wanted to start out by showing you site 53 over in Loop 2 where we're camping this weekend because it's really pretty. So here we go. So this is the first time we've stayed on site 53 out in Calhoun Falls, but it's really pretty, so I just wanted to show you really fast. When I did the Loop 2 tour last weekend and posted that video, I wasn't aware that this one had such great views, so I would have talked about it a little bit more, but check out that view. I love that. I always say I'm not a fan of steps, but only 3 steps here. Forgive our mess. We've been camping here since yesterday at this point, but check out the little beach area down there. Kind of goes all the way from that side all the way down there, and I haven't been down there yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to make my way, and hopefully I don't fall. Give you guys a view of what kind of beach area you'd have to look forward to if you stay on this site. Pretty steep hill. It wouldn't be the most fun walk getting down here, I'm sure, for most people, but you got to take the good with the bad. Pretty steep drop right here. So here goes nothing. Oh, all right. So really nice. I really do love this campsite. You got the fishing pier right over there. So obviously it's a decent little fishing area. This would be perfect for the summertime. Now here in just a little bit, hopefully, we're going to go down the nature trail that leads from loop number 2 over to the campground store. We tried to do that last time, but the camera died on us right in the middle of the trail, so I wasn't able to put that in the Loop 2 video. So I'm gonna try to squeeze that into this video here. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope that this video is somewhat helpful whenever it comes to planning your camping trip in the summer. So who's ready to go on the nature trail?
Me!
Well, let's go on the nature trail. How long did the sign say this nature trail is?
1/4 of a mile.
Just 1/4 of a mile, and it goes up to the park store from campground or Loop 2. I wish we had a golf cart so we could do the cart trail. It was a lot of fun when we had it. Take a right, please. There you go. Pretty cool. Sorry.
I need to tell him this something.
What do you need to tell them?
Watch out for snakes.
Okay.
Even watch out for spider webs and spiders.
Of course.
Even a web.
Right. Well, y'all just walk ahead of me and let me know if there's any webs that y'all run into.
I won't be there.
The whole time you're walking, you never see the camp store just popping up, and then all of a sudden there it is. It's pretty convenient. It's not a bad walk at all, as long as you don't mind the steps.